Queste sono tutte le erbe.
First one, I will explain about this.
Yes.
This is we call aromatic
Vedi qui,
ginger.
guarda, aromatic ginger.
It's different than normal ginger. It's a special from Bali.
I see.
It's same. It's from the roots, same, but from the taste and smell is different. From the taste, it's light, not too spicy like ginger.
I see.
But it's very aromatic.
Aromatic.
This one is only
Not
in
that
Bali.
spicy.
In another country, call this kencur. This one is a tropical fruit. This is banana. This is a special banana. We call this red banana. Why? Because it's red, and then the fruit also red.
Ah,
From taste, this one is very sweet, more sweet than yellow banana.
più dolce delle banane gialla.
Normally we use for juice and then smoothies. This one not good for fried banana because the texture is too mushy, too soft.
Too mushy,
If you
yeah.
fry it, you will break it.
Yes.
This one also still family with ginger. We call this galangal. From taste, this one more spicy than ginger. This one we use for bumbu Bali. Also for very famous Indonesian dishes, is a big rendang. Use galangal. Lemongrass.
Ah, il lemongrass è molto famoso.
Still small. Normally used.
Lemongrass.
Lemongrass also I use for bumbu Bali. And then if you drink some tea or coffee, you
Yes.
can put on the coffee.
Certo,
It's
certo.
good aroma for the tea and coffee.
Sia per il tè, per il caffè, a parte la cucina.
Certo.
You know, besides cooking, tea, and even coffee, you say.
Yeah. Coffee.
Even coffee?
Or even coffee.
I never heard about coffee. I knew about
You
tea.
must try.
Ah, well, yeah.
This one is turmeric.
Turmeric?
Turmeric is curcuma.
Yes,
Curcuma.
la curcuma.
The yellow roots. This one also we use for bumbu Bali to make color of the bumbu Bali, make the yellow color.
Yeah.
What do we use for cooking? We call this bilimbi. Bilimbi. This very fresh and make food is very fresh taste. Very sour.
Never tasted it.
Never taste. You want to taste?
Yes, please.
Sometimes I make carpaccio. Use this one.
Carpaccio.
I slice very thin to add more acidic for the carpaccio and liquid
Mi
also.
piace un po'.
Very
This is
sweet.
a bit like star fruit. No.
Yeah, like star fruit because this one is still familiar with the star fruit.
Ah.
If you see the tree, it's same like star fruit. The different only in the fruits. Yeah. Coffee lime. We use this in 3 countries normally: Thailand, Indonesia, and then Vietnam. Use
Vietnam,
lots.
Indonesia, and Thailand.
In Thailand food normally put the leaves on the soup like tom yam gong or tom kha gai.
Just on top.
Just on top, put inside the soup. Also for green curry.
Oh, green curry, I like it very
Smell
much.
this.
I had to ask cut whiskers.
Cut whisker, this one.
Yeah. Ah, this one, guarda che bello.
This is cut whisker.
Ah, ecco perché dice che è come i baffi del
This one
gatto.
also you can use for herbal medicine. This
Ah,
one
sempre
you
per le erbe mediche.
boil in the hot water
Yes.
and then drink the water like
Yeah. Che bello. Solo per il tè quello, eh? Che bello il film.
we call this bongkot.
Bongkot.
And normally we use flour to make sambal and then to make the fried rice. Aromatic fried rice, very aromatic. So that's the flour.
Questo è il peperoncino speciale di Bali.
Very spicy. One of the Bali chilies, some make 10 of normal chili.
Sai quante volte di più? Che bello, guarda. 10 volte tanto di più. 10.
Use this one for bumbu Bali and then to
Bumbu
make
Bali?
sambal for the spices.
Hot hot. Io non lo tocco,